We talk about freedom all the time. Freedom from stress, freedom from limitations, freedom to live our dreams. But what does that really mean? Let's explore. When we think of freedom, we often see it as something external. Freedom from a job we don't like, freedom from societal pressures, or freedom to live how we want. We set it as a goal, something we'll achieve someday when the conditions are just right. Treating freedom as a destination means we're always chasing it. And if we're chasing it, we're never truly free. Think about it. When has one more achievement or one more milestone ever made you feel completely free? The moment we tie freedom to something outside of ourselves, we lose it. Gibran's quote invites us to flip the script. What if freedom isn't something we achieve, but something we realize? What if it's not about escaping responsibilities or reaching goals, but about embracing the present moment and living authentically, regardless of circumstances? This idea aligns with many spiritual teachings. The Buddha spoke of liberation through detachment, and the Stoics believed freedom comes from controlling your inner world, not the outer one. True freedom is when you're no longer controlled by fear, desire, or the need for validation. So, how do we live this kind of freedom? It starts with letting go of the chase. Stop waiting for perfect conditions or external validation. Instead, ask yourself, what would it feel like to simply be? To accept the present moment as enough. That's where freedom begins, not as a goal, but as a way of life. When we no longer see freedom as something out there, we discover it's been with us all along, in our choices, our thoughts, and our ability to live authentically in the here and now. Khalil Gibran's wisdom challenges us to stop chasing freedom like it's a prize and start living it as a state of being. For just one day, stop striving, stop chasing, simply be. You might find that freedom isn't as far away as it seems. Remember, you're already free. You just need to see it.